Chapter number 1, Who Did Patrick's Homework by Carol Moore. This is a wonderful story which has presented magical realism, which means something that is not magic but a belief in a beautiful manner. A boy, Patrick, who gets inspired and feels propelled to work hard by an imaginary elf, a supernatural being. He is not only able to complete his work but also scores good grades. This story conveys the message that self-help perform miracles. The author of the chapter, Carol Moore, was an American writer and was supporter of children libraries. Patrick never did his homework because he found it boring. Instead, he played hockey, basketball, and video games like Nintendo. His teacher warned him to complete his homework, otherwise, he won't be able to learn anything. It was a fact because at times he used to feel like an ignorant person who was completely helpless in this regard. He had no interest in studies and homeworks. One day he observed his cat playing with a doll. He took that doll and was surprised to find that it wasn't a doll. Rather, it was a man of smallest size, an elf. He was wearing a woolen shirt with an old-fashioned trousers and a tall hat, which made him look like a witch. The elf cried and requested Patrick to save him and not to send him back to the cat. In return, the elf promised Patrick to fulfill his wish. It was very difficult for Patrick to accept that he was so fortunate to get an answer or solution to all his difficulties through this tiny man. So he asked him if he could do his homework till the end of the semester, that is the period of 35 days, to help him score grade A. Patrick was thinking that with the tiny man's help, he can improve his grades. After hearing this, the elf showed his disapproval for the work by kicking legs, doubling his fist, and making unhappy faces. He asked if he was that fortunate to do that task, but he promised to do the work, and keeping his word, the elf started doing his homework. But sometimes he needed help as he didn't know all things. Then Patrick had to help him. Sometimes, while reading Patrick's homework, the elf would say, crying aloud, that I don't know the meaning of this word, so give me a dictionary or something that can help me to identify the sound of each letter as well as word. The elf explained that they never needed mathematical concepts like addition, subtractions, division, fractions, so Patrick had to sit next to him to guide. Even he did not know anything of human history. It was completely strange to him. Thus, he screamed at him to visit the library, get him more books, and help him to read as well. Actually, that little creature was either troubling, complaining, or asking Patrick to do something or the other all the time. Patrick was not able to sleep and was awake for nights together. He had never felt so tired before and was going to school with all his dull-looking eyes. Finally, it was the last day of the school and Elf had complete freedom to go. There was no more homework to do. So without speaking anything in a secretive manner, he moved out from the back door. Patrick scored A grade. His classmates were surprised. Teachers were full of appreciation, and parents were trying to know what made him so perfect. What had happened to him? He became an exemplary child who cleaned his room himself, did all his work, became a happy child who was never rude and developed a complete new self and look. In the end, Patrick thought it was he who had made the elf do all his homework. But it was not true. It was, in fact, Patrick himself who had done the homework. And so it has been said, self help is therefore the best help. Thank you.